Hello and welcome to Sethioz Reviews. This time I have an YI mini dash camera. I think I reviewed some of the YI products before and they were pretty good. So let's see what to think of this. If it would just open somehow. Wait, what? Oh, okay, these are pliers. So I thought that was a knife. But you can use it as a knife, look at that. Sharp like shark. There we go. This I don't need anymore. So, how does this open? And it is open. Oh, looky look. Looky look. Wow! That looks pretty awesome, guys. You can just stick this right on the window like this, I guess. Like this, eh? And this thing in here, wow, that is cool. I just don't know about that. That's a very sticky stick, isn't it? Sticky stick. Yeah, that's a sticky thing. So, I personally don't like these kind of things because, I mean, if you're gonna put it on the window and then you like have, you know, cold outside and stuff and the moisture, you know, builds up on the window, then it might just fall off. That's a microphone, I believe. Let's see, what does it say in here? I think it's a microphone. Mic and R. I don't know what R is. R. SD card slot. What is that? I have no clue what this thing is. Never seen this before. That's the USB. That's the SD card. And that is some mysterious hole. Let's see what it holds in here. Look at that. Okay, so let's see, manual stuff. Something is stuck on my finger, man. Okay, let's open this up. I don't like this material. That's the cable, I think. Yep, that was just the cable. Oh no, there's something else in here. Oh, that's the USB to cigarette lighter charger. Might as well put two slots in here, but okay, that's fine. So this is the long USB cable. Let's smush this open. Out of the way, out of the way. That's just a regular USB cable. I think it's like 3 meters, look by the looks of it. So this is how it looks like. I don't think it's turning on without power because it's a dash cam and dash cams are powered by USB. I mean, it must have some kind of a battery, you know, in case you like have an accident or if your battery or like runs out or if you turn your car engine off, then it will still save the clip. So I already know it has a small battery, but it's not possible to turn it on without having the USB connected. So the battery is just in case the power goes out, then it just saves the last clip and then it turns itself off. Actually, some of them do turn themselves on without the battery, but obviously not this one, so I'm gonna have to connect this up and then check it out. It doesn't come with an SD card. I don't understand this. I have had a lot of like these drones, you know, the quadcopter drones, and they even come with a 4 GB SD card, so I don't know why they can't, you know, include a 4 GB SD card. They are only like maybe like £2 or £3 on eBay. Like, yeah, that's like cheap stuff. So this is my own SD card. Plug it in because I don't think it's possible to use one without. So there we go. I still don't know. That looks like a speaker. It's not even a slot. Right. Anyway, I got the cable. Let's connect this up and see what happens. What is this? Let's start reading in here. To optimize the performance of the memory card, it is recommended that format the micro SD card. I don't want to do that. Is that a touchscreen? No, it's not. So what do I press in here? What do I press? Do I press OK? 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 No! I don't want to... It doesn't even allow me to continue without formatting. No, I don't want to format. I don't even know what I have on it. I have to check first. Alright, so there was nothing important on it. No porn, nothing. So let's just do the format because you can't continue without it. So, what? What do you mean? What's this? What app? Hey? Okay, there we go. Looky look. It's already recording. Oh yeah, it's recording. So that's how I can do the testing. Look at that. So this is the quality. I don't know how good it is. You can see how far it is from the camera and from the thing. That's my PC thing in there. Let's see. Yep, I can see the PC. That's your quality test. And how do we stop recording this? I think this is stop. That's pause. This button is pause. Records again. So how do I completely stop it? I don't think you can. Okay, this is like album. You can watch through the videos. See, let's watch this one. How do I? Okay, this is the back button. But why does it say record button? I don't understand this. EMR recording. Oh, emergency recording. That's what it is. EMR. Oh my god. Right, so there's not many options. It's very easy to use, very simple to use. See, that's the album thing. Look at that, see? That emergency... I don't think there's any kind of menu at all. Yeah, I don't think there is a menu. Oh, there is. Look at that. There is a menu after all. Look at that. So let's see, what do we have in here? I don't know. What is this? Resolution. Let's check it out. It can only do 720p, 30 frames per second. Whoops, I'm trying to show you, but I'm trying to read at the same time. So, yeah, 720p and 1080p at 30 FPS. Then what's this? Video duration. 1 minute and 3 minutes. That's like the clips and stuff that it saves. Microphone on and off. What is this? G sensor. Oh, that's the G-force sensor. Low, medium, and high. In case you don't know what it is, it's, you know, if you have an accident like this, then it should automatically save the clip. Not save. I mean, it's always recording, but save as you know, mark it as. Let's see if I tap on it. Yep, did you see that? Whoops, emergency record. So that's how it does it. So if you have an accident, then it records it. Then it not records, but how to say it, saves the clip as important clip, which means it's not going to get overwritten when the SD card is full. So if you do that, then there you go. So that's the G sensor. If it's on low, then it detects, you know, lower movements. Like if someone bumps into your car when it's parked, then that's how this works. So I hope I have explained it. That's what the G sensor is. LCD, it well, that explains itself. We have always on. We have 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and always on. It's like, you know, the delay when it turns the screen off. Brightness, low, medium, high. Wi-Fi. It has a Wi-Fi. No way. It has a Wi-Fi. Format SD card. That's that. Oh, there's more. Factory reset, set time and data. Beep sounds. I'm going to turn this off. Wait, what? I thought I turned it off. Oh, button sound. What's this? Power on off sounds. That's what it is. Okay. Driving report on, language, and that's it. So these are all the options. Wi-Fi, I don't know. I haven't tested it. I mean, I need to test it out and see the app and stuff. So let's see if I can get this app working. I don't really have a newest phone, so I'm not sure if I can show it, but I'll give it a shot. Right, so I tried to download the app, but honestly, I am tired of this. And if companies can't make it clear and easy to use, then I am just skipping it and I refuse to do it. So let me explain what's wrong. So, alright, so this here is the QR scanner and this here is the QR code. So, how do you do this? How exactly do you do that? Look at that. It's never gonna read that because it's so tiny. It's so blurred. And even if I tap on it, yeah, I know it's shaking and stuff, but I tried it off the camera. I tried to hold this thing exactly in here like so, with enough light and stuff. Try to hold it exactly in place. Click to like scan, see focus in. I tried it. It's so tiny, you can't scan this. Like, why do you people test this garbage? Okay, so anyway, it doesn't work, and it says in here, let's read this in here. App download. I'm gonna just read it out for you. Scan the QR code below or download application from App Store or Google Play. Download what app? So if I go to Google Play, I write I want to download application. Like what? What application? It doesn't even give a name in here. Like I just refuse to do the app thing because it is so confusing. So I'm gonna just show you the quality on this one, the microphone and stuff. I'm gonna also do one outside test, and then I'm gonna conclude you know, the review. You don't need the app. The app just gives you features such as like live preview, downloading the clips straight to your phone and stuff like that. So for example, if you leave it like on somewhere in your car, then you can still, you know, view it from your phone. But yeah, it's so confusing that I just refuse to do it. They need to fix these kind of things, and I am just, you know, saying it straight out. But yeah, anyway, let's move on to the quality test. Alright, and here's the outside test. That's how it looks like. And I'm just behind the camera, maybe like 20 centimeters, so you can hear the audio and stuff. So as you can see, it's very wide angle. Really wide angle, so it's pretty good. It's like if this would be the front of the car, you can easily see on both sides and stuff, so it's pretty cool. Like that, it auto changes the lighting thing, so that's also pretty good. But yeah, that's how it works in here. Alright, so you saw the quality. So what do I think of this? What is my final verdict? I think this is a very good camera. The quality is good. The audio is actually surprisingly good, what the fuck? Good for a microphone for like this. But the app thing, yeah, I saw it. I'm not gonna even bother with it because they can't fix their stuff and they can't even put their app name in there, what to search. So yeah, I can't bother with it. But let me explain something about this emergency record. It's not like you might think that what's the use of an emergency record after the crash, or like if I did that thing. It's not gonna do it afterwards. What it means is that, let's say you have the clip saved to 3 minutes, right? So it records 3 minutes and then it records another 3 minutes and another, so on and so on and on, right? And if you have crash and if you have the sensor on and it bounces like this, then the previous 3 minutes will be saved as emergency, which means that entire crash is going to be on the video. That's how it works. So once it activates either the G sensor, the G-force sensor, or the emergency record, then it saves the past plus like maybe 10 seconds into the you know, like this line in here. I think it was 5 seconds, like you saw this emergency record. So it saves from the past, it saves whatever it was, like 1 minute or 3 minutes, plus this emergency line record. So you have everything on the video. So that's how it works, and that's why it's useful. You either do it manually, like let's say some pedestrian like falls over or some other car crashes and you want to save it, then you just hit this button and you have everything saved and you don't have to worry about anything. So that's how it works. So my final verdict, I think it's pretty good camera. I think it's definitely worth it. This mount in here, I'm not entirely sure about it, but I mean, it's very, you know, good. It's very compact, very easy to use. As soon as you plug the power and SD card in, automatically starts recording. No fuss, no mess. Like, that's how it should be. The app is not even necessary. So here you have this awesome YI Mini. Not sure if it's a mini, really. It's normal size dash camera. And I will see you next time.